today I have for you this happy, beautiful gold glitters eye makeup look. I hope you love what you can see, and it is quite simple. There's a lot of CutCrease going on out there, and I'm sure you guys have stumbled on a couple of CutCrease. Well, you want me to do more CutCrease for you guys? Say hi in the comment down below, and please feel free to subscribe as you watch this video. And if you're just coming to my channel, you're welcome. Please stay tuned. Please relax and subscribe. I'd love you guys to give me an idea of what other makeup look you want me to do for you. Thank you for always coming back. Love you. Starting off with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Pomade in Ebony, and I'm just going to keep applying it with my Zoeva brush. I'll apply in tiny strokes on my brows, just create a very natural finish, and just keep brushing it on. And then I'm using the LA Girl Concealer in Warm Honey to define my brows. I'm going to be using it for the under part of my brows. I'm also applying this same concealer as a base on my eyeshadow so that my eyeshadow can have something to stick onto. And then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Mario palette. I'm using this orange color on my crease. And I'm just going to move onto the Huda Beauty Obsession palette in warm brown. I'm going to apply another orange color, which you can see there I'm applying just to intensify the orange, and then moving to this brown color from the same palette. I'm going to also apply it and it is going to serve as a transition color, and apply the same orange as well at the upper part, but not to my brow bone, so to speak. And then I'll be going to this black color from the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'm going to apply it on my crease and just blend everything out, and also apply just a little more orangey at the upper part, just to create a very orangey transition and brown, and then blend it out. So I'm cutting my crease with my concealer, as you can see, and it's a full cut crease, and I'm just going to make sure that I cut it out neatly so that I can do any other thing that I want to do, or apply any color I want to apply on there. You just want to make sure that your cut is quite clean. And then I'm using this gold bronzy color from the same Huda Beauty palette. I really love their eyeshadows. They're really beautiful and well pigmented. So I'm just tapping it onto my crease, the part that I cut, and making sure that it sits properly. And then I'm using this benign glitter gel, using this gold glitters, and I'm just tapping it onto my crease so fast so that the glitter gel doesn't dry quickly. I'm just going to make sure that I put reasonable amount of glitters on there. And then I'll be moving to my NYX liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to apply it to line my eyes. And then I'm going to be moving to the lower part of my eyes, applying some concealer so that the color that I'll put on there will stick. So I'm using the NYX Jumbo pencil, and I'm just going to apply it on my waterline to make my eyes wider and more open. And I'm using this black pencil, which I can't even remember the name, and I'm applying it under the whites. And because I already applied some concealer before, it's giving me this harsh gray color. And well, it's okay, but I'll just move on. I just want to make sure that I create that wing effect at the inner corner of my eyes. And then I'll be using my MAC Prep and Prime to prime my face before I apply my foundation. And then I'll be using the Maybelline foundation in Coconut 355. It is a matte finish foundation, and it stays on for so long. Moving back to my Warm Honey concealer by LA Girl, I'm just going to make sure that I apply a reasonable amount for my highlighted areas under my eyes and my forehead. I'm just going to make sure that I blend out quickly. And then I'll be using the Sacha Butter Cosmetics powder. I really love this powder because it doesn't give me a flashback. And it's so smooth that I can even use it all over my face. But I'll be moving to my Milani powder in 109. making sure that I use it to blend out the rest of the powder that I applied earlier by Sacha Butter. Just want to blend it out properly. And then Mary Kay powder in bronze 4. I'm using it to contour. Like I said in my previous video, my Maybelline powder in cacao broke, so I'm replacing it with this. But I intend getting a CoverGirl powder, bronzing powder. I hear that it's really good. Just gonna make sure that I apply it on contoured areas and under my chin. And then I'll be moving to the Maybelline highlighter. It's this very gorgeous gold finish, molten golden highlighter. I really love it. I'm just applying it on my cheekbone. And there we go. And I'm going to apply it on my forehead as well. I don't really want to look all shimmery, but you know, I still want to have that shimmery effect. And I'm using this beige creamy color from my Huda Beauty palette on my brow bone, so I light, and also the highlighter as well from Maybelline. So I'm using my Maybelline mascara to pull out my lashes before I apply my false lashes. And then under, and then my BH Cosmetics blush palette. I really love this palette. I've used it like forever. I'll probably get another one, maybe another brand, but till then, let's keep using this one. Well, feel free to use any one you have. You don't necessarily have to get what I am using, but it's okay. I'm using the Outdoor Girl lip liner in Hash, and I'm applying it on my lips as my lip liner. Then I'll be using the Balm Cosmetics Miss Matte Fuse in Devoted for my lip color. It's quite red. And then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick in Spicy. It has this orangey feel and it's just so gorgeous. And we're done with the look already. I hope you guys will be able to watch this video over and over again and see how you can recreate this look. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave a comment down below and subscribe. Thank you. Love you. Back to life.